You already know who it is. It's your boy, the one and only KJ Raps. So this video here is fundamentals on how to basically rap a hood solo. So I'm gonna show you a few different techniques. All right, so right now we have, as you can see, it's already right here. So we're gonna pull it up. I'm a lot taller than a lot of humans, so my wingspan is pretty long. I can kind of blast this out on the first try. So I'm gonna pull down and then I'm gonna pull in this direction. Attack. So I pull in that direction, now I'm pulling here. We're gonna get these rings up down here. So it's kind of pulling the material in like a triangle. So now all that's glassed up there. So now we're about to head over to this side, do the same exact thing. Blast it all out. That's also another technique. You can kind of air it out. A lot of people don't really do that, but that's something I do. Boom, put it here, and there. All right, there you go. Now we got it. Me, I don't really like using squeegees, only because of certain materials I don't really like to touch because it leaves a lot of crazy, nasty looking swirls. But this material is actually pretty well, not well, but pretty good when it comes to using the squeegee. There's no surface scratches with this or anything like that. So therefore, we got this. So sometimes you got to hold the material up, just like you see those bubbles there. That's when you go into, all right, you got to pretty much hold it and just feed the material. So what you want to do is you want to break it up into squares. You want to square this area, and then you're going to knock the bottom out. So hold it up, knock out this area up here. Call it the square technique. Break it off, you section it off. So basically, if I was to make, it's kind of almost like playing the game square back in elementary school. You literally go boom, boom. That's how you want to do some hoods. Depending on the material, that's how you kind of want to do some hoods. So now I'm gonna take care of this little square section. Get all the little bubbles out. They're trying to hang out. So now we have that taken care of. And you want to do the same thing on the other side. All right. So now y'all get a POV on how to cut. So this is how I do my cuts. Blade about that much out, sit it on the side, Just run it down along here. And it'll come outwards. This is taken care of. So now I'm gonna come over here and take a little bit off. That area. Now with this is really tight when it comes to this specific hood when it comes to the Model 3s. So you want to do this corner with the hood being down, because the minute you lift the hood up, this corner is going to go in there. So you want to take care of this corner like how. That's how I do my corners. Get it hot. Wrap it around. I'm gonna shrink it. You saw that move? So we should be good with that. Yeah, that corner's not gonna go anywhere. So now I'm gonna take care of this. Work this in like that, like so. That from sticking there. Alright, now that we have that covered, I'm gonna take your blade. Now you want to put it behind here, in this area. Hopefully y'all can see that. Just run it along the edge. Bada boom, bada bang. Y'all see how nice that corner look? Let me see. Yeah, y'all see how nice the corner look? I'll zoom in for y'all. So now you're gonna come down this way, put that blade in there like that, like so. Cut that real flush, you heard me? Bam. That's where your money at. So you run your finger along, make sure it's all down. Then you got that crispy corner right there, you see me? That crispy corner. So that's how you want to do Model 3's hoods, with the hood being closed and down. Take care of that corner like that. So now I'm gonna go take care of the other side. Alright, now that both corners are done, we're gonna take care of the front. This is how I do the front. Heat gun. Work the material in with your finger. Cover these sides. Going on. So many ways you can do this. A lot of people will just cut the underside and follow the line. Me, since I already put most of the material down and worked it in, I like to do mines like this. That's how I do mines. You'll get a straight line sometimes, as you can see. Mine is fairly straight, but if not, if you don't like it, then you could come on under and kind of just clean it up a little bit. You know? Just like that. Put the blade right underneath the material. Give it a little feel. And there you go, a straight line. But yeah, and that's basically how you wrap a hood with KJ Wraps. That is all she wrote. Appreciate y'all. But look at the quality on that shit though, for real. Y'all see them corners? Jeez.